everyone, my name is Anna Arias, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can use the application Explain Everything for in and out of classroom activities. So first of all, Explain Everything is basically just a giant whiteboard, but what's great about it is that you can record live voice recordings. So if you click this red button here, this on the left side, this is the mobile interface, and then here on the right is the computer web application. So here, if you look on the left side to the mobile version, here on the bottom, you're able to record. So I can mute, or I can mute or unmute my video, and I can talk with the other person on the other side. And same with the computer side, there is a recording button here, and so it's pretty similar format for the cell phone and the web-based application. So in this activity, I had students do a timeline, so I just created one. I added pictures from the internet, and this way students would be able to practice the present tense. So here we worked, it was me, I worked with myself, and we did Ross's daily schedule. So first one, Ross wakes up, Ross eats breakfast, and then Ross reminds Rachel that they were on a break. So this is one example of how you could use Explain Everything for in and out of classroom activities. And I want to say that although I do like this app, it's kind of difficult to use on the computer because you have to like pinch to make the pictures bigger or smaller, like so, and it can get kind of difficult to be accurate. So I think this is more of based for like tablets, maybe not so much cell phone, but for tablets, I think it would be optimal for that. And also, you can invite people to just look or to edit as well. And it's pretty easy. You don't need to make an account. You just put the code in and you can just go on the computer or on the phone and then start working on it. So I actually used this with my student a couple days ago. And what I did was I uploaded a PDF because we were working on reading comprehension. So I uploaded a PDF and he was able to highlight, color all over it. So it was really interactive and it was really fun to work on that together. Because usually we Zoom and I have like the PDF, but here we don't have to use Zoom. He doesn't have to log in. So since his Zoom wasn't working, we were able to use this, and it was a great substitute. With that, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Hopefully you end up using Explain Everything in your in and out of classroom activities. Thank you.